Hi, in this short video I'm going to show you how to carry out a voltage drop test. You'll use a voltmeter and a small kilowatt heater, and this will enable you to work out how much volts are dropped without using an instrument, say for example like a short test. It's a simple and practical way to calculate voltage drops. This is a voltage drop test. What we've got here is a heater. It's a kilowatt heater, so it draws a lot of power for a tiny unit that it is. Then over here we've got a voltmeter, and what we're going to do is look at the volts as they are at the moment. We've got showing 120 volts. Now what we're going to do is we're going to turn the heater on. We throw the switch here and then watch the volts drop. So we've stabilised at 111 volts. Now let's go and see what happens with the amps here. You see how many amps we're drawing. We're drawing 4.9 amps. So a lot of power and a big voltage drop. Now we're going up to 5 there. So we have a simple spreadsheet here just to illustrate what's going on. You can see at the top row is volts without load. In other words, we plugged the meter into the wall, but there's no voltage being dropped because there's no power being drawn. But look what happens when we actually turn that heater on. The actual volts with a load drop to 111. Well, that gives us a difference of 9 volts, and as a percentage, that's an 8% drop. Well, that's outside the required 5%, so this test would fail that outlet. Just coincidentally calculated the amps being drawn, or used the meter to do that, and we got 5 amps, and it means the circuit resistance is about 22.2 ohms. So that's a simple test. You could do that using a meter, or you could do it as I did it with a heater. Both are going to give you much the same results, plus or minus a small error of something like 5%. So that was a simple voltage drop test. You're using a meter and a portable fire, 1 kilowatt. It allows you to calculate what the actual voltages are. Now, if you're a homeowner, I wouldn't recommend you do this. Get yourself an electrician. They're well qualified and more than able to actually help you fix any problem that they find.